Hello and welcome to Fascinating Facts channel. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe our channel. Let's watch today's video. Thunder and lightning are what happen during thunderstorms, those big storms with lots of rain and noise. Lightning is like a sudden burst of electricity that makes a really bright light in the sky, and thunder is the loud noise that follows it. It's like when you see a flash and then hear a boom. The flash comes first because light travels faster than sound. These storms usually come in hot weather and are caused when warm, wet air mixes with cooler air. Sometimes they're not too bad, just a bit of lightning and rain, but other times they can get really intense with strong winds, heavy rain, and even tornadoes if things get really serious. The scariest lightning can be incredibly intense and alarming. Its fierce, bright flashes can light up the sky in a way that feels almost surreal. The flashes can appear like powerful bolts slashing through the darkness, momentarily turning night into day. The accompanying thunderclaps can be shockingly loud and resonate deeply, intensifying the sense of unease. This type of lightning might trigger feelings of fear or anxiety, especially in those prone to such reactions. It's important to stay informed about lightning safety and precautions to mitigate any potential risks associated with these awe-inspiring yet frightening natural phenomena. Deadly lightning is a serious and potentially life-threatening phenomenon. When lightning strikes, it carries an immense amount of electrical energy that can cause significant harm. People and animals can be directly struck by lightning, which can result in severe injuries or even death. Additionally, lightning strikes can also indirectly cause harm by igniting fires, damaging structures, or disrupting electrical systems. Early humans likely observed lightning strikes igniting fires in their surroundings, providing them with warmth and light. This discovery of fire's connection to lightning played a significant role in the development of human civilization as they learned to control and utilize fire for various purposes over time. Certainly, the lightning incident in Bangladesh in 1981 was a tragic event where lightning struck a passenger boat on the Brahmaputra River, resulting in a significant loss of life. It is considered one of the deadliest lightning-related incidents in history. The strike caused the boat to catch fire, leading to the deaths of approximately 500 people who were on board. In 1994, something really tragic happened in Egypt. There was this huge explosion in a village called Dronka. It all started when lightning struck a place where they stored gunpowder. The lightning was so strong that it set the gunpowder on fire, and that caused a massive explosion. This explosion was so powerful that it destroyed a lot of things and even took the lives of more than 470 people. It's a sad reminder of how dangerous lightning can be, especially when it mixes with dangerous materials like gunpowder. Back in 2009, Nepal went through a really heartbreaking lightning incident. Imagine, during a wedding celebration that was happening outside in the Rukum district, lightning just struck out of nowhere. It's really sad to say that because of that one lightning strike, 38 people lost their lives. It's a stark example of how lightning can be so sudden and dangerous, especially when people are outside and not protected from thunderstorms. Back in 2011, something really sad happened in Uganda. There was a soccer match going on, and then out of nowhere, a thunderstorm rolled in. People at the match tried to find shelter under a big tree. But here's the really unfortunate part: that tree got struck by lightning. The result was just heartbreaking. 18 people lost their lives, and many others got hurt. It's a clear example of how we need to be cautious during thunderstorms and find safe places to go, because lightning can be dangerous even when we don't expect it. In 2015, something really tragic happened on Mount Everest in Nepal. There were these trekkers, people who were exploring and hiking in that area. And then, out of the blue, a thunderstorm hit. Lightning struck, and it hit the group of trekkers who were near the Everest base camp. It's so sad to say that this unexpected lightning strike caused a really terrible outcome. It resulted in the loss of 18 people from that group, and many others got hurt too. This whole incident reminds us that even in the most challenging and remote places, lightning can be incredibly dangerous. Back in 2016, something really tragic happened in Rwanda. There was this church where people had come together for their usual worship. Out of nowhere, lightning struck the church, and the outcome was just heart-wrenching. It's really sad to say that because of that lightning strike, 16 people lost their lives. And not just that, many others got hurt too. This incident shows how unexpected and devastating lightning can be, even in places where we usually feel safe. In 2019, something really sad happened in Pakistan. It was during the monsoon season when lightning struck different parts of the country. The result was really heartbreaking. At least 32 people lost their lives because of these lightning strikes. It's a strong reminder of how strong and unexpected lightning can be during severe weather. This incident shows us how important it is to be careful and take safety seriously when there are thunderstorms in the area, especially in places where these kinds of things are more likely to happen. Back in 2020, something really heartbreaking happened in India. It was during the monsoon season when lightning struck different parts of the country. The outcome was just devastating. More than 100 people lost their lives because of these lightning strikes. Remember, lightning itself is not inherently bad. Lightning is a natural phenomenon caused by the discharge of electricity in the atmosphere, often occurring during thunderstorms. It's a fascinating and awe-inspiring event that plays a vital role in Earth's atmospheric and ecological processes.